Hi everyone, I'm Nick. Today, you and I are at the Atlantic Sea. I'm looking for a unique sea creature.
Come, let's search out together. Look at this. The ocean is full of plastic. It's dangerous for sea life. By looking at all the fauna here, it reminds me of some people that are irresponsible for all mercury spills and plastic pollution in our ocean. Do those people not realize that the fauna provide nutrients to humans with healthy food, clothing, and medicine? Nevertheless, the fauna is important for maintaining balance in the ecosystem. That's why we need to protect the fauna.
Wow, you see that? What a beautiful fish.
Hello, I'm a French AngelFish. My scientific name is Pomacentus peru. I'm a type of ray fin fish.
Where does the French angelfish live?
We live in the ocean. You can find most of us at the Atlantic Sea and Caribbean Sea. We live in our coral reef. We love our home. This coral reef, that's where we keep our eggs and protect our family.
Wow, French angelfish are very protective towards their family. Oh, French angelfish, you have beautiful scales and unique shape.
Yes, French angelfish have an oval shape and thin body that makes it difficult to see head-on. But from the side view, you can easily see our beautiful scales that are black, dark blue, and gold colors. We stand out with bright yellow marks on scales, and it shines everywhere we go.
Wow, I am amazed. How big can French angelfish possibly grow?
French angelfish can grow up around 10 to 16 inches. For your information, French angelfish lifespan is about 10 to 15 years life.
Cool, that is quite a long-term lifespan.
Hey, come with me. Let's find food for dinner. Do you know that we have an omnivore diet, same like other vertebrate fishes?
Let me guess. French angelfish eat parasites, algae, and debris of other animals.
Yes, exactly. Such healthy diet.
Can you tell me the fun facts about French angelfish?
French angelfish is the most peaceful and intelligent. It's because we are not picky on eating food. When we eat our food, we also helping remove parasites from various types of fish. So, we will reserve protection in return by helping other fishes.
You are the type of a cleaner fish. That's amazing. Besides having a good manners, they are a good parents to their babies too. Their babies is known as larvae and juveniles.
French angelfish hatch hundreds of eggs. After eggs hatched, the babies will come to be cute juveniles. They will grow to have a unique marks on their own scales.
Our adventures is over now. I hope you enjoy these wonderful adventures. See you next time.